myself Shweta Shah. I am an instructor for the subject Computer Organization and Architecture. In this subject, we have started Unit 1, that is Computer Data Representation, Register Transfer and Micro Operation. Today we are going to see topic that is Common Bus System using decoder and tri-state buffer. In last session, we have seen the Common Bus System designing using multiplexer. In this session, we are going to see how we can design the Common Bus System using decoder and tri-state buffer. Before going to the topic, let us see what is a tri-state buffer. A tri-state buffer is a three-state gate, that is digital circuit that has a three states. Two states are equivalent to the signals or logic 1 or logic 0 as we are using in a conventional gate. But the third state is a high impedance state. The high impedance state behaves like an open circuit, which means that the output is disconnected and doesn't have any logical significance. One of the most commonly used in design of bus system is a buffer gate. Here this is the circuit diagram for a buffer gate. Here we have total two input. One is a normal input, another is a control input, and one output, that is output Y. This output Y is equals to normal input A if and only if your control input is activated. If your system is using active high signals, that means your control should be 1. If you have provided 1 at the control input, then and only then your input is going to be passed to the output. That means your Y is equals to A. If your control input is 0, then it will not depend on your input, what you have given in an input. It will always be, output will always be in a high impedance state. That means your circuit is like disconnected. So when your control input is equal to 1, the output is enabled and gate behaves like a conventional buffer with the output equivalent to normal input. But when your control input is a 0, the output is disabled and gate goes to the high impedance state regardless of the value of the normal input. The high impedance state of the tri-state gate provides a special feature that is not available into another, or you can say, conventional gate. Because of this feature, the large number of tri-state gate output can be connected to wires to form a common bus line without enlarging loading effects. So this is a very much useful concept for designing your common bus system. So let us see how we can design the common bus system using this tri-state buffer. So with this tri-state buffer, we will require another circuit, that is decoder. So this is the circuit diagram for a common bus system using decoder and tri-state buffer. This decoder is a 2x4 decoder. That means you already have learned what is decoder. This decoder 2x4, that means it has a 2 input and 4 output, or you can say 2 selection lines, and according to selection, any of one output from this 4 will be activated. So here our selection is of 2 bit, that can be 00, 01, 10 or 11. According to your selection, any of one output will be activated at a time. So if your selection is a 00, then your 0th output is activated. If your selection is a 01, then your first output, 1 output is activated. If your selection is a 10, then your second output is activated. And if your selection is a 11, then your third output is activated. This activated output we are connecting to the control input of this tri-state buffer. So at a time, any of this 4 input will be activated. That means any of one tri-state buffer can be activated at a time. Okay, here what we have done, here we have designed this common bus system for a just simple 1 bit, that is 0th position bit. And if we consider that we have a 4 resistors, we have designed this system over here for only 0th bit. If we consider that our conventional system has a 4 resistor and each are consisting of 4 bit A0, A1, A2, A3 and so on. Likewise, so we are here showing only circuit for a 0th position bit, and it has a 4 resistor A, B, C and D. So we have to combine this A0, B0, C0 and D0 bit to connect this with a bus. So here we have connected this A0, B0, C0, D0 with a tri-state buffer as an input. Its control input is provided from the selection that we are getting from your decoder output, and according to decoder's output, at a time any one of this 4 tri-state buffer will be activated, and that activation will depend upon selection. So if we consider, for example, if our selection is 1 0, that means we have given selection for a 2 output. So 2 number output will be activated, and this 2 number output will activate the input for a C0. So your C0 will be available on the bus. Okay, and likewise if your selection is like 0 1, so your 1 output is activated and B0 will be available on bus. If your selection is a 0 0, then A0 will be available on bus, and if your selection is a 1 1, then your D0 will be available on the bus. So by this way we can design our common bus system for a simple 1 bit, okay, for 4 resistors. So here we require only 1 decoder and 4 tri-state buffer to design this decoding or design this bus for simple 1 bit. As construction we have seen in the figure, here the control input to the buffer will determine which of the 4 normal input will communicate with the bus line. No more than 1 buffer may be in the active state at any given time. The connected buffer must be controlled so that only one of these tri-state buffer has access to the bus line, and while all other buffers are maintained into high impedance state. Okay, so this is the circuit, and it is very much easy to understand how we can design this common bus system using decoder. The system is very much easier as compared to multiplexer. Okay, and to construct this common bus for 4 resistors of n bit each using this tri-state buffer, we will need n circuit with the 4 buffers in each, as we have seen this figure, but we will require this replica for n times, for n bits. Okay, for example, if you have 8 bit, you will require 8 replica of this circuit. If your system is of 16 bit, you will require 16 replica of this same circuit. Okay, and each group of 4 buffer receives the 1 significant bit from the 4 resistor. Each common output produces the 1 of line for the common bus for the total n lines, and only 1 decoder is necessary to select between these 4 resistors. Okay, so system will become very much easier. So we are ending our today's session over here. If you have any query, then you can contact me